like to leave an impression, I like to set a vibe. Got one thing on my mind, just trying to live my life. Going out, gonna have a good time, that's right, I set the vibe. So it's a game of follow the leader. I'm the hunter, you're the retriever. Let's turn up the blow at the speakers. We party all night, love the spot like but it goes deeper. Can't stop moving, I got the fever. Someone swoop me up, I'm a keeper. Let's party all night.
The all-around fast charge is a charging solution that comprehensively improves the experience. It relies on a robust charge management circuit to ensure fast and safe charging, even in challenging voltage and environmental conditions. Limit input current to enhance safety and stability in volatile voltage environments. We provide 63 safety protection items to ensure charging safety in harsh environments. The matched charger supports the PD 3.0 agreement. It can charge almost all Type-C devices. It provides additional exciting features beyond capability and safety. The bypass charge mode can be activated with just a single button. By directing the current to the motherboard instead of the battery, the temperature of phone can be significantly reduced. Intelligent Power EIQ, with the aid of an AI model, it can charge the phone to 80% at night and fully charge it before wake-up. High-capacity battery materials can increase battery life by 25%.
Your armor is ready.